Passive income is a popular concept that's been around for decades. It's the idea of generating income without actively working for it. The term passive income can refer to a wide range of income-generating activities, and you can find loads and loads of videos about that online. And while passive income sounds like a very attractive proposition, there are several myths that I want to debunk in this episode. Myth 1. Passive income can be achieved quickly. This myth is one of the most common misconceptions about passive income. The truth is, building a successful passive income stream takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of investment. Most people who have succeeded in generating passive income have had to work years before seeing any significant returns. The idea behind passive income is that you put all of the work up front to generate loads of income in years later to come. So if somebody promises you a way of making a lot of money quickly through their passive income course, I would be very skeptical. There are no shortcuts to creating a successful passive income stream. The second myth is that passive income is easy to make. Another myth about passive income is that it requires little effort and there's no risk involved. However, the truth is that generating passive income requires a certain level of skill and knowledge in the industry. You may have to learn new skills and try various different ideas before finding one that actually works for you. And passive income also carries a lot of risk because there's no guarantee that your investment will pay off in years to come. So a lot of people invest a lot of time and money into passive income streams and never generate a return from it. So be wary of anybody who tells you that generating passive income is easy, because it can take years and years to actually pull off a good passive income stream, but the rewards are definitely worth it. Myth 3. Passive income can replace a full-time income quickly. The idea that passive income can replace your full-time income quickly is a misconception. While it is possible to generate a lot of money through passive income, it often takes years of hard work, and it's basically turns into your full-time job if you want to make lots of money out of it. Many wealthy people have multiple streams of passive income and still have a regular job to maintain their financial stability. Passive income should be viewed more as an additional source of income rather than a replacement for your actual job. The only way I can see somebody living off of passive income is by having multiple streams of it. But even this takes a lot of time, and the more streams of passive income you have, the more work it's going to take you to maintain and fulfill them. So, in conclusion, passive income is definitely a legitimate way to generate more income, but it definitely requires a lot of time and effort that these people are leaving out. So don't believe the myths that passive income will come quick and easy. Instead, approach it more as a long-term thing, and have a willingness to learn and put in the necessary work, because the journey is definitely as fulfilling as the rewards at the end. And even if the passive income source doesn't pay off, you still come away with those skills, so you're basically investing in yourself. So with a lot of patience, persistence, and hard work, you can start generating passive income, and I hope you do. But anyway, I hope you've learned something from this episode. But I've been Ben, also known as MX. Like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.